video for leisure and development for those interested in the English language. Jim Cargill, The Shadow of the Secret Agent, science fiction novel, Part 1, City in Darkness. Excerpt 6, Ball of Fire. North of the North American continent, a secret military base for radiation reconnaissance, 2187. Lika did not have time to come to her sense and realize what was happening to her. For a second, she again felt like she was losing consciousness. The material space around her seemed soft and unstable at first. Then it seemed to melt, become liquid, and float away from under her feet. For a second, she realized that she was floating in the astral plane. The world before her eyes blurred, dissolved, and dispersed into atoms like red stars. Then the space gathered again, first into a semi-liquid, then into a soft, amorphous, and then into a solid substance. The wall remained standing as it had been, but now on the other side of Lika. Lika herself gradually began to feel the solid floor under her feet. She looked around. It was an unfamiliar environment. Lika saw a nine-sided table in front of her. From a distance, the table seemed to be mirrored, but up close it became transparent to the observer. Suddenly, a purple light bubble flashed on the table, and the entire room turned pale pink. Lika darted behind a safe protruding from the wall. The wall opposite Lika disappeared for a split second. Then it reappeared, but now in the room beside Lika there were two more subjects. These were warriors of the highest rank, exactly those Lika was looking for. They did not say a word to each other. One of them approached the safe behind which Lika stood, pressed the purple light above its door, and pulled out a small device from the safe. Then he approached the mirror table and placed the device on it. The table unfolded. It began to resemble a large mirror with 9 distinct shores, its edges. The device itself began to glare with a thin golden stream. This stream spread across the lake like moonlight and pointed a picture of the solar system. The corners of the table instantly lined up in a certain order, and each of them began to resemble a sphere of a certain color. Each corner of the sphere corresponded to one of the planets of the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. In place of the sun, in the very center of the table, there was a device. It emitted a golden glare, reminiscent of the sun corona. The soldiers did not talk. They only walked around the table, thinking about something. Each of the planets would flare up with a bright glare, then go out again. So Lika observed the bright red light of Mars, then the brown of Pluto, then the lilac of Jupiter. The Earth was marked in bright blue. Lika's memory copied the scheme that these two, standing in front of the table, mentally drew, reflecting their every dot. Lika felt that her strength was leaving her. She was losing consciousness, and in this half-fainting state, she clearly saw before her a picture of the world that came to her from the mental dimension. It was half sleep, half reality. She saw the rockets in front of her, which the captain had already recorded on his tablet. The rockets took off one after another, leaving the Earth. They dissolved as light in the dark cosmic sky and became like distant twinkling stars. They landed on other planets one by one, on Mars, on Mercury, on Jupiter, even on the most distant planet from the Sun, Pluto. And on Earth, in our native Earth, as in a terrible dream, as in a nightmare, scarlet patches of fire covered the surface. Gradually they merged into one powerful flame, and now the Earth looked like a huge fireball. Lika was no longer able to watch such a picture and fell unconscious. A lemon-color signal flashed in the wall nearby. It was calling the military on a particularly important mission. The glare of the planets immediately extinguished on the mirror table. And the table immediately folded back up as in nothing had happened. The two military men disappeared behind the luminous purple wall. To be continued.